I'm Jennifer Martin with the American Dream TV, and today I'm meeting up with my good friend George Milton, the owner of Yellowbird Hot Sauce. So follow along. Hi, George.
Hey, Jen.
How are you?
Good.
Wait, are we gonna do our secret unrehearsed handshake?
Namaste.
Namaste. Good to see you too. We're at Pete's Piano Bar downtown.
Yeah, been here since 1991 as a piano bar. It's looked like this since like the 70s.
Okay, so we're at Pete's, but
Yeah.
we're really here to also interview you
About me,
your
yes.
local Austin business.
Me and my partner Aaron started it. We moved to Austin in 2012 to live here full time. I was playing music a bunch of places, here being one of them. And we started a hot sauce company here in Austin called Yellowbird, which is all these sauces. Don't tell them, but I would like sell hot sauce to people because people would like be like, hey, you're the hot sauce guy, right? And I'd be like, yeah, don't tell anybody, but $5 for a bottle of sauce.
Okay, so I know you brought 9 of your hot sauces and your different flavors. So we're gonna talk about your favorite, my favorite, our top 3.
Our top 3.
Our top 3.
Okay, so our top 3 are gonna be our strawberry ginger hot sauce, which we are actually renaming Serrano Coconut, same sauce though. And then
Fruity.
we're going to our habanero.
Yep, our habanero.
This is our best seller.
Okay, best seller.
And this one does start to get a little bit hot.
Let's share. Here's a wing for you. Here's a wing for me.
This is our plum
Wait, it's
reaper.
closed. Let me
Oh,
help.
dang.
You
I
know,
should know
there you
that.
go. Yeah, it's your bottle. Come on now.
So fresh plums, fresh Carolina Reaper peppers.
Okay. Here we go.
And this one is starting to get kind of hot.
Okay. My nose is tingling.
Yeah, I can see it tingling.